Synergy Equipment's side mount kit allows you to mount Apex pumps and hose reels to the side of your stackable oil system. Here's how to install it. Before starting assembly, please check the list of contents in the description below to see if you have all the required parts. All threads should be sealed with the thread sealant supplied in the kit. First, loosely assemble the hose reel bracket, pump bracket, and bracket base using the bolts, washers, and nuts provided. The pump bracket and reel bracket go on the 5/16 inch carriage bolts and the bracket mounts with 3/8 inch bolts. 2 washers go on the back of the bracket mount to allow the bracket to slide. Next, loosely mount the bracket onto the container. Do not tighten the bolts yet to allow for easy adjustment. Once you find the positions you need for the pump and reel, tighten the bolts. Slide the pump through the bracket holder, then place the hose reel on the hose reel bracket. Bolt the reel in place. To set up the plumbing in the kit, remove the plug from the bottom of the container and thread the assembled valve into the opening. Thread a straight hose barb into the bottom of the pump. Then cut the hose to size, connect the hose to the valve assembly, and slide the hose clamps onto the hose. Connect the other end of the hose to the hose barb and clamp both ends of the hose in place. Now grab the whip hose and connect one end of it to the pump and the other end to the inlet on the hose reel. Finally, take the oil meter, screw on the nozzle, and thread it into the end of the oil hose to complete assembly. For more information, please call us at 833-220-7307 or visit synergyequipment.com.